Hello, cheetahs. I thought I would make you this video because this week we're asking you to do some research in social studies, and there is a great resource inside of ClassLink to be able to research with. So I'm already logged into my ClassLink. If I go down to PebbleGo here, click on that. This week we're asking you to research about some different holidays. So this is the home screen of PebbleGo. If you scroll down and click on social studies, and then you should be able to choose holiday. And then here is a list of different holidays. So you can choose any of these holidays to research. I'm just going to click on the first one. What I like about PebbleGo is that if you click this speaker button here, it will read you the words here. Then there's different tabs across the top.
Getting ready. New Year's Eve. New Year's Day.
There's also read more. That'll give you some different holidays. And then the kids always like this media here. That'll show kind of a short video. I just wanted to make that short video to show you how to access PebbleGo to do some research. Hopefully later this week I will be emailing you with an update about how online learning will continue now that we will not be back together until May. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me by email, and again, we can set up a Zoom call. If you did not get my email, we would love to Zoom with your kids Tuesday. We're going to try to do all the second grade teachers and as many students as we can get on as once, just so we can all see each other again. And then we're going to do a read aloud and then some math, brain teasers, puzzles, that kind of thing together. So we would love to see your kiddos then.